Ni Hao Manila! Ni Hao Manila! Welcome to another episode of Ni Hao Discovers with me, your host, Valerie Tan, and our very special guest,
Char!
Ayan, and we are here at the world's oldest Chinatown, Binondo, Manila. So Char, ready ka na bang mag-food trip?
It's been 6 years and I'm ready to take you on Binondo. So let's go, Miss Val.
Let's go!
Let's go! Totoo naman, oo. 6 years na. So, dati parang feel ko wala naman masyadong tao dito. Puro business lang. So, ito sa MBT na.
At saka ano na siya, building na siya.
Wow!
Ay, awan na ka na ng kopya.
Oo nga eh. Ang grabe naman. Oo, give me.
Ano gusto mo?
Ito, very curious ako dito.
Sige.
Kasi first bago to, di ba?
Yes, tikoy roll. Kasi di ba usually yung mga tikoy, lulutuin mo pa. Meron
Oo
sila
nga.
dito na luto na. Pwede mo nang kainin agad.
Thank you so much, Miss Val, for treating me.
Yes, of course. As a visitor.
Okay, thank you. Red bean, no?
Or Ravinda. Sarap pang merienda, no? Try natin itong tanghulo. Trending na siya ngayon eh.
Magkano po?
240, ma'am.
Sa Batis, ang pintang hulo. Ang asim ng strawberry, pero ang sarap. Kasi sa China nga, regular tanghulo is yung hawthorn. Hindi siya ganito. Siguro meron na rin ganon. Pero like, usually they sell yung hawthorn talaga, not this kind of fruits. Very nakaka-proud lang na marami nang nakakalam ng tanghulo. Kasi like, my sister went to China and I introduced her tanghulo and ayaw niya, hindi niya nagustuhan. Tapos like a few years later, nalaman niya yung tanghulo. Tapos sabi ko, pinakain na kita ng tanghulo eh. Tapos hindi mo alam. Tapos ngayon, very happy na ako na ang dami na nakakain ng tanghulo.
This is
Shanghai Fried Shoka!
yung pinipilahan ng mga tao. See, ang mura niya, di ba? 9 na tao na, 350.
In Chinese, it's called youtiao. So this usually eaten in the morning. This is breakfast food. Ano sila, kurare, pag may test yung mga Chinese students, the mom will usually cook this one and then 2 eggs. Kasi yun, 100.
So parang may superstition pa. I see.
So pag ano siya, kunwari minsan ginagawa na dalawa dapat yung binibili para 110, exceeding yung 100. Pag hindi dalawa, nagagalit yung iba kasi it means that they're gonna fail the exam.
Okay, nice. Okay. Ayan, mainit-init pa, so ingat ka lang.
Sige.
Nararamdaman ko pa yung init ni...
Ano ba laman ito?
I think siopaw. Para siyang ano?
Pork?
Bola-bola, feeling ko bola-bola. How do you find it?
It's interesting kasi ang tamis niya,
Sa China ba?
hindi sila, I think they don't have this kind of flavor. Ang very siya, Filipino taste talaga. Yeah. Sa China kasi they don't like sweet food, they don't like salty. So parang ito, medyo lang siya, very, kung in-laws ko yung kakain niya, tapos sabihin nila, ang tamis sobra.
Habang ini-enjoy mo yan, bubuksan ko ng ating
Kasi yun na nga, wait lang, bibilisan ko na,
fried xiaolong pao. Part ng experience dito sa Binondo is to eat sa scarlet, di ba?
Oo.
Ayan, get your own
Oh, they have
chopsticks.
sauce pa.
Parang ano? Nasang kopya na. Usually, di ba may soup sa loob? Not a taste I expected. How about
Siguro
you?
kasi, fried na siya.
I know, because it's vegetarian nga. That's why the taste is different. Okay, get you.
First time ko makakain yan. So, okay naman.
Okay.
So, hindi ko rin alam kasi kung ano yung expect ko eh. So, it's really good.
Bicho Bicho is here!
Bicho Bicho.
Yes! Woo! Okay, go try it.
So, yung sa China, hindi namin ginaganito. Yun lang talaga, yung stick na gano'n. Kaya sabi ko, 100.
Parang I feel like a child. Kinakain ko siya.
Parang scramble, pero bread.
Matamis din.
I like this one. Magkano to?
60.
Grabe. Ang mura naman.
Siguro naman, busog na tayo, di ba?
Busog na ako. Hindi ko na kayang kumain.
So ano pa, may gusto ka pa bang ibang makita at ma-discover dito?
Hindi ko alam kung nagbago na siya. Meron pa ba dito yung mga stores na may mga gems? Kunwari, di ba, ano ako rooster ako. Year of the Dragon today. I want to be luckier.
Sige.
Meron ba nun? Meron pa ba?
Explore natin yan dito sa likod. Let's go.
Sige.
Pakilala kita dito sa isang feng shui consultant na kakilala ko, si Jean
Okay.
Chua.
Sige.
Jean, this is my friend.
Hi, hello.
And she's looking for the crystals and charms na pampaswerte.
Pampaswerte. Okay. So, normally kasi binibase namin sa birthday nyo. So, kino-customize natin siya in a bracelet or kung gusto nyo naman, meron tayong amulets na kinikarry mo for protection and safety.
Siguro ako gusto ko lang ng luck. I don't know. Kasi kakagraduate ko lang din from master's degree. Tapos jobless kasi. So, parang kailangan ko ng luck.
Pwede naman, meron tayong mga crystal stones that you can help you to boost your opportunity, especially in career or personal growth, and also kung ano pa yung mga chances na pwede mong gawin para mas maganda yung development mo in your career.
Sige, go.
Go. For searching of opportunity, we have meron tayong aventurine.
Oh.
And then,
Green.
kung gusto mo, may combination of stones. Kasi this one is plain. One color, one stone siya.
Okay ba pag naka-customize siya sa birthday? Mas mataas ba yung chance of being
Mas
lucky?
malaki yung potential energy niya comparing to the usual bracelet na sinusuot lang natin. Kasi after customizing your bracelet, we also do the cleansing and then we'll teach you how to activate and program your bracelet para mas maging effective siya. So, pansin mo, meron din akong green na hinalo. That is aventuring stone for opportunity. Yun. Then, ito naman, white is a howlite. This is a stone for you to have clarity, focus, and communication luck. And then, the red one is to give you more health and protection and safety during your traveling or during your searching of things that you need. And then the blue one is to enhance your good relationship and good aura. And then kukombine natin with yung mga stones na for protection and safety to prevent any misfortunes. Kasi since this 2024, ang rooster kasi may mga negative stars. And the mantra beads naman is more on pang remove ng mga or dispel ng mga negativity too. So ito na yung the customized bracelet that you can wear for the whole year. Yun lang, kailangan mo lang the intention of positive energy, but at least ma-manifest mo siya ng tama.
Okay, thank you so much.
Wow! What a fun Binondo trip. Nag-enjoy ka ba?
Sobrang nag-enjoy. Busog na ako, luckier pa ako, the best day ever. Thank you so much, Miss Val.
Thank you so much for
Thank
spending
you.
time with me. Alam mo, dati napapanood lang kita sa Nihon.
Ako din naman.
Ngayon, we spent the whole day together. Super saya. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Mas thank you ako sa'yo kasi lahat binigay mo sa akin. Like 6 years of the memories, pumasok na agad siya sa utak ko, pumasok na sa puso ko. Parang bumalik na ako in time. Thank you so much.
Yes, and to all of our viewers, thank you so much for joining us in today's episode of Ni Hao Discovers here in the world's oldest Chinatown, Binondo, Manila. With me, Valerie Tan, and
Char!
bye! See you in the next episode!